Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa. I wanted to share some happy mail I got for myself that I never thought I would buy, to be honest. I never thought I'd buy because I thought, well, why do I have to pay for a name? I got the off-brand Centro and I don't have to pay for the name. The Centro burnt up. I used it too much. So I got an ADDI. I got the king size ADDI. Express king size. It has 46 needles, I think. And it's made in Germany. It's got the legs down there. It's got the doohickeys, so you want to make a panel to connect it to a table. Legs. Extra needle. And a box to keep it all safe. And there's the timer. Got the timer of the counter right there. And I'll doohickey to spin it goes right there. I will set it up and get going on the hat to get it caught up when I get a free moment. And here is my I want to call it a California cal, but it's not. It's my calendar cal that I'm doing with Lista and other YouTubers out there like Manthas Makes Sam. I'm caught up to October. And these are the colors. And while you're watching this video, please leave a comment down below because I did reach the 500 family members. Thank you ever so much. Everyone that is a subscriber. I want you to leave a... Sorry, I lost my breath for a minute. I wanted you to leave a comment down below. Something nice, you know. Hello, that works too. And I'll put you on the wheelie thing. And next Wednesday, I'll be pulling from the wheel. Tomorrow, I'll make a video of what the prizes are. There's 5 prizes. And one the biggest prize will be a bag of yarn and notions. Bag of yarn and notions. A project bag full of yarn and some notions. That's all you have to do. Just hit me up on an email saying, not an email, a message, because it'll probably get lost in an email, trust me. A message down below, what is it called? A comment. And say hi, or I want to be entered. Yeah, why don't we do that? Let's do I want to be entered, and we'll put your name on a wheel, and then let's see who wins one of the 5 free prizes for just being a member, and how much I appreciate you all. I cannot share, and I apologize everybody can't get something. If you do not do yarny fiber stuff, please let me know in the comment as well, because I also have other things. Okie doke. Thank you ever so much. Have a great day, and I do appreciate you. If you're a subscriber, if you're not a subscriber, please think about subscribing, liking, sharing, and definitely please comment. Have a great day. Bye.